Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And today I got three dual screen smartphones for you, and today I'm going to compare these three dual screen smartphones for you, and we will talk on the specification, on the design, and about the functions of the dual screen. And I'm going to introduce them to you one by one. The left one is the Doogee S98, and the middle one is the Unihertz Ticktock E, and the right one is the latest flagship Roger model from Oukitel, is Oukitel WP21. And among these three models, among these three smartphones, the Doogee and the Oukitel, both of them are Roger device. They support IP68, IP69K, and military 810H. And so, as we can see, they have a totally different design compared to the Unihertz Ticktock E, and they did a lot of IP rating designed, like the camera, the dual camera is synced and is protected well by the mantle. And also here, as we can find that they are enhanced or bumped up part to protect the second screen. Same here. And also we can get we can find that the stopper, they have a stopper to protect it from water, and mantle frame, and also they support the customized key and underwater camera keys here. Yes, here. Also they combine the power button with the fingerprint buttons to customize key, and also design like the back cover. This one, the Oukitel, is have a 5-on cover design, and also the Doogee is have a good quality material, good back cover material to protect the smartphone from drop test. And also from this angle, we can find that they are bumped up part to protect the main screen as well. And also another thing I think I should mention is that both of them support both of them have a triple rear camera system and dual color LED flash, and also it's they support night vision, and you have infrared emitters to get we can shoot the object cleanly in pure dark environment. And also about the triple rear camera system, the main one is 64 megapixel, and also the night vision is 20 megapixel, and the wide angle is 8 megapixel. All of them support the night vision. And also about the front one, this one is have a 60 megapixel front camera, and also this one is have a 8 megapixel front camera of the Oukitel. About the Oukitel WP21. And also let's go to this. As we can see, it's have a very simple and normal design compared to these two models, because it's not a rugged device, and also the frame, and here even the bumped up camera zone is not metal, it's kind of plastic material. And also here the size is smaller, and also the thickness is much thin compared to the devices, because this one, like the Doogee, the battery is different. This one is has the 9800 big battery, and this one 6000 batteries. But also for the Doogee S98 is also have a 9000 batteries. Even though these two devices have the same batteries, but this one is a large device, so they enhance some part, so it will looks more thick than the normal one. And also for this one, it also have a customized key here, and also they combine the fingerprint with the power buttons. Yes, also is our dual camera system. It supports 48 megapixel and 8 megapixel for the rear camera. So for the cameras, actually these two are almost same. For this one is the specification is lower than the other devices, and also when put them together, we can find this is unique. Is so special. It's different compared to the other two models. So this is about the design, and also this normal one is not a larger phone. So we can you find that there are no stopper to protect the charging port, and also no special design to make it survive from the drop test or waterproof test or shockproof test. And so this is about the design part. And actually for these two devices, they are more high-end, and this one is a low-end or high-end. We can also compare it to through the settings and to check the specification about this device here. About the phone, because it only have a 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and they use the MediaTek. Here we can get some information about the phone. The MediaTek 67665, and for this one it's have a G96 yeah, G96 processor here, and these have a 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. Okay, about this one, the latest model from Oukitel is our MTK 6789, and all of them are 6 nanometers producing technology of the chips. And this one is have a much high-end specification on the RAM and ROM, because these have a 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. And we can go to the settings to check the smartphone here. Yeah, it's about RAM information and ROM information. So this is about the specifications. Actually, this one is the latest one is have a high specification. This one middle, and this one the lowest on the processors part. And these two are octa-core processors, 6 nanometers. This one is only a MTK 67665 processor. But for the system, all of them use the Android 12 system. So this is almost same for the Android systems. And the next, I'm going to compare the second screen, and as we can see, all of them have a second screen, but they have a different name for them on the settings. We can hear first. This one is the WP. They call it the mini screen, and as for this one, the WGS98 is called the real display sim here. And this one, the Oukitel, they call the mini screen here. Here we can select the clock plate, and also for this one, they call it another name. Okay, they call it the sub screen, and we can also select the plate. As now we have go to the second screen setting part, and as we can see, very strange thing happened. And for the Oukitel and for the Unihertz, okay, they have a very similar or same clock plate fast choose, and when we turn around, we can find that. We can double click to wake up the screen, and we can find that they have almost the same settings for the dual screen, music, campers, camera, and yeah, music. Yeah, we can use the second screen to take pictures. Yeah, we can use 6 and 2 to take pictures. But for this one, the Doogee one, and go to setting part of the second screen. They have a clock, income, and music. So it's have a clock, encore, music. We have 3 functions, and we can choose the clock, apply. The clock applied successfully, and so it have a different functions. Actually, this 4 have four functions, but this one only have 3. But this one is the only one have a it's all designed, corporate, and UIs for the dual screen, and also, as you can see, for the screen size, these 2 one almost same, because for the Ticktock it have a 1.3 inch second screen, and for the R2 devices, this has the almost same size compared to this one, and also, but for this one it have the smallest size screen. And let's go to the front part. For the screen part, and wake up the screen. We can find that these 2 devices, they use the wardrobe screen, and this one they have a punch hole screen. And for the display, the screen display, this one is have a 2K display performance. It's a 2340 and 1080 display resolution. But for this one, for the Unihertz Ticktock E, is have a 6.5 inch 720 and 16,000 display performance screen, and for the second screen is have a 240 for the second screen, the display for resolution. This one is actually is a 2K. It's a 2K for the main screen, and it's a 6.3 inch. And as for this one, it's have a 6.78 inch Full HD plus screen. So this is for the screen part, and also this one stand out on another part is this one, the Oukitel WP21. It support 120 Hz refresh rate for the screen. And also the last thing is about battery. These 2 devices have a 6,000 batteries, and this one have 9,800 thousand. And also this one is the only one to support fast chargers, support 6 to 66 watt fast charger. But for this one, for the Unihertz Ticktock E, and also for the for Doogee S98, it doesn't support the fast charger. Just use the normal charger, and so this is another difference. Yes, for the battery, for this one is have as well I mentioned above, it's have a 6,000 big battery, and it support the only 33 watt fast charger and 15 watt wireless charger. But for this one, it's have a 9,800 big batteries and support 6 to 6 watt fast charger. So this is one stand out on the battery and charger. And also, I think I made a mistake about the front camera. As I mentioned, for this one, it have a 20 megapixel front camera, and this one is have a 60 megapixel front camera. And for the Unihertz Ticktock E, it only have 8 megapixel front camera. So this about the camera. This one the main camera is same, and 64 megapixel, and night vision 20 megapixel, and 8 megapixel wide angle. This one same for the front one. This one 20 megapixel, and this one 60 megapixel, and this one is a 20 megapixel, 24 megapixel main camera, and 8 megapixel wide angle, and for the front one it's 8 megapixel. So this is about the battery, and also as we can see, they have different size, and for the weight, and for this one is the most heaviest, and this one is 300 with weight 320 grams, and this one is much lighter. It's only 233 grams. So this one actually, yes, you can hold it for a long time and feel more comfortable compared to these devices, because actually for the broad device they have big batteries, so absolutely they will weight more heavy. And so this is about the very quick, very simple comparison videos about these 2 or 3 devices. And now I think a lot of larger device or small brand, they also do the dual screen smartphones, and they have all of them, they provide a very special design compared to the big brands like Vivo, like other brand. And I think this smartphones bring us a very special choice, and another choice for us to choose for the special environment for Roger, for the business. So would you like the dual screen smartphones in the market, or which one do you like among these 3 devices? And maybe you can know me your thought and make a comment. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for the videos. Thanks. Bye bye.